So that was just my rover, driving around the sun. So, hey guys, it's me, Ethan, and I'm recording a video of this rover I got from you, and this is for you, Grandma. So, yeah, this the rover you got me, and yeah, you can also crank it in neutral and stuff here. So yeah, I'm having it on neutral, so it won't move, and yeah, pretty much that's it, and bye. Of course I just came there, guys. So I'm gonna show you like the crank this time. So here it is, driving around. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So bye.